Welcome to another video. I am actually purging through my closet. Sorry, I have the dogs with me. Here's our Cookie Monster. I'm a hoarder when it comes to like my clothes. One, size-wise, I haven't really, I don't drastically change sizes. I'm typically the same size in clothes. I tend to carry on. There's things that literally I've worn since late high school, early university days, and I still have them in my closet. For why? No sé, pero I'm just that type of person when it comes to clothes. So wanna say hi to the camera? Come. Good boy. Okay, there you go. This is our Game Boy. I am a bit sick, which is not making this easy. This is just gonna be me purging my closet. So yeah, that's gonna be my focus for this evening. I think it's about almost 5 p.m. So we'll see. I'm hoping to do this quick. My strategy is going to be that I'm going to tackle everything down below first, on the hangers and in the drawers, because I need to make the space for the things that I have in the boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed this.
Coming closer, know that I'm a mess. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath. I run. Falling deeper, I can't.
Okay, so funny thing, I went through my drawers and it didn't record. But yeah, I gone through my drawers, went through my clothes that's on the racks. Sorry, that's on the hangers. And now I'm gonna tackle the boxes.
I confess, drowning in the chaos. I can't catch my breath. I run. Catch my coming closer, know that I'm a mess. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath. I run. Falling deeper, I cannot confess. Drowning in the chaos, I can't catch my breath. I run.
Hey guys, so I'm done. I'm done with the purge. That literally took me about, I think the podcast, I only listened to one podcast, and it took me about an hour and a half, I think. I think it was an hour 15 and an hour 20, the podcast. Yeah, that's pretty much the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.